Abnormal noise in personal cooler can be for various reasons. Air cutting noise can be resolved by educating the customer. Blower misaligned or broken can be resolved by blower adjustment or replacement. Motor stand misaligned or broken can be resolved by motor stand adjustment or replacement. Louver misaligned can be resolved by louver adjustment or replacement. Motor sound or alignment or jam problem can be resolved by motor adjustment or replacement.